Are you being gaslit? Here's what you need to do. What if the most dangerous part of gaslighting isn't the lie? It's what happens to your ability to trust yourself, because you remember what was said, what happened, what you heard, you know how you felt, but somehow after every conversation, you walk away questioning your memory, your perception, and even your sanity. This may be psychological manipulation known as gaslighting, because the problem here is this. Gaslighting is more than someone disagreeing with you. It involves a repeated pattern of denial, distortion, minimization, blame shifting, and reality manipulation that can cause you to question your own experiences and your own reality. You may hear comments like this: "You're too sensitive. That never happened. You're imagining things. You're always confused. You're the problem. There is something wrong with you. You keep making up stuff." Over time, this can produce self-doubt, hypervigilance, anxiety, emotional dysregulation, and impaired self-trust. And if you have experienced chronic relational trauma, your nervous system may already be conditioned to question yourself in order to maintain safety. So here is an important distinction that I really want those of you that are listening to this. Healthy relationships allow two people to remember an event differently. Gaslighting repeatedly pressures you to abandon your perception of the reality. So what do you do? First, I recommend document patterns, not obsessively, but more objectively. Write down what happened, what was said, the dates, and observable facts. Documentation can help counteract memory uncertainty created by a chronic psychological stress. Number 2 is stop arguing about your reality. You don't have to convince someone who is committed to invalidating your experience and your reality. You don't have to do that. Try saying these statements: "I remember the situation differently, and I'm not going to argue about my reality." Okay? And third is reality check with safe people. Talk with someone emotionally trustworthy, or a qualified mental health professional, a therapist, your psychiatrist, who can help you distinguish between perception, memory trauma, responses, and manipulation. And the fourth thing is watch behavior, not promises, because accountability looks like changed behaviors, not simply apologizing followed by repetition, because this happens a lot with gaslighting. And remember this: you do not need someone else to validate your experiences before you are allowed to take it seriously. It's a relationship consistently leaves you confused. Any relationship that leaves you consistently destabilizes, afraid to speak, or chronically question your own mind, pay attention to that pattern. Your goal isn't to win the argument. Your goal is to restore your own self-trust, establish boundaries, protect your psychological safety, and make conscious decisions about the relationship. Don't let someone else define your reality or change your reality, because healing from gaslighting isn't learning to trust everyone again. It's learning to trust your own self. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, hit the like, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment or two for me. And also, if you think this was educational, please support my channel by subscribing. Thank you.